If you receive papers from the housing court, these papers could lead to your eviction, and they should never be ignored. All tenants have rights. All tenants have the right to present their cases and to explain to judges why they should not be evicted. Funds exist to help people with rent grants and to prevent them from being evicted. The Legal Aid Society assists thousands of people every year in representing themselves in the housing court and in securing such needed grants. Hundreds of people ignore these papers, and this causes evictions, which could easily be prevented. The worst thing is to let yourself be evicted when you have rights that you could present before the court. If you receive eviction papers from the housing court, the first thing to do is to go to court and answer. Before you go to court, you should try to think about what it is you would want to state in your answer, because when you go to housing court, it's very likely you're going to be nervous. So you should make a list of the things that you would want to have presented in your answer. The things that you would certainly want the judge to know would be whether you've paid rent that you're now being sued for. You would also want the judge to know about the conditions that exist in your apartment, whether you're being charged the correct rent, whether you received the proper papers and whether they were served on you in the proper manner. All of these things have great importance. When you go to court and put in your answer, you'll be given a date to return to court. It is crucially important to show up on time on the date that has been provided for you. You should show up in court with all of the documents that you think you will need to help you present your case. If anyone could bolster your testimony, you should have them come to court with you so that they can testify on your behalf. You should never leave evidence at home. You should never let people that could testify on your behalf stay at home. When you go to court, you have to have everything working for you. If you bring to court the things that you need and the people that you need to help you, you have a good chance of achieving a good result. Don't lose your case because of a failure to assert your rights.